Kiwaya, Yaku Miracle Hobio, Patoan Miring. Yaku masih sekolah SD Negeri 111 Manado. Hello guys, my name is Miracle Hobio. You can call me Mire. And I'm from SD Negeri 111 Manado. And I want to tell you a story about My Little Pony. Once upon a time, there were colorful ponies living in happy land. What a beautiful day to play with my friends, said Rainbow Pony happily. They like to play, sing, and dance together. Every day, they share toys and laugh. Ha, hee, hoo. One day, a big storm came to the land. Oh no, what's happening to the sky? Said Pinky Pony. The ponies were scared because the sky was dark. But they held hands and stayed close together. Then the rainbow coming after the storm. Look at rainbow, we made shoes together, says Sprinkly Pony with joy. The ponies dance under the rainbow with joy. Sera mengajar, orang sera muali-wali, sera muali ketan. They learn to be together.